dashboard lights. Sasa zingine nikiingia kwa gari naona tu lights zimewaka, I don't know yenye ina signal kitu mbaya, zingine kama ziko sawa. So leo nataka kujua what should I know about each of the lights.
Asante sana Joy. Kitu iko ni with the technology advancing so fast, manufacturers have equipped the cars with the computers so that the car should communicate to the driver or the owner. In an event, umeona the malfunction lights. Each malfunction light has a meaning. Number one, it starts as a warning. Then now ukiona kuna zingine zinaanzaga zikiwa amber, zinarudi zina change, zinakuwa more, bright. So it is high time to have it checked.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that you should park the car immediately, but you can drive to the next or to the nearest repair shop.
Okay.
And now in this case, like the light on the far left, stands for engine oil. It shows that maybe the car engine oil sensor or the oil level haiko sawa.
Okay.
So it is advisable you have it checked. Then the other light ni ya brake lining, ni ya kuonyesha gari umepark na umefanya nini? Ume instill brake, parking brake.
Okay.
Then the other one ni safety belt. Ina show that hujafunga mshipi. And then we have the other one that looks like a tap. That's the engine check engine light. Yes, in an event kuna shida na engine, hiyo ya amber or orange stands for the engine has a problem.
Okay.
So that's a malfunction light or check engine. You need to check the engine condition and all that.
Okay.
So by the help of scan tool, you are able to know, to identify what is the problem. And from there, you are able to know what you are dealing with and the costing and the time and the duration. I think for the car owner or for the lady driver, they need to just understand the meaning of those malfunction lights and nothing to worry, nothing to panic about.
Okay.
Asante.
Now we know. Thanks a lot.